we are going to find the G prime, and G is in the fraction form. What you would do as the hint provided, right, as a sum. So when you divide by the denominator, it's the same as each term divided by the same denominator. And the cube root of x is x to the power 1/3. Okay, so I'm gonna break it up into 3 different fraction forms. At this step, are you guys okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and next we are going to adjust or simplify each one of them. When you divide the power, you have to subtract them. So this will become 2 as a 2 and x to the power 16 over 3 minus 1 over 3. Okay, the next term going to be 8 times x to the 7 over 3 minus 1 over 3. The last one is 9 times x to the power negative 1 over 3 because we have the power rule for the power function. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so right now we are in the process of simplifying the gx into the sum of 3 terms. The first term, you have to adjust the power 16 over 3 minus 1 over 3. That becomes the power 15 over 3, correct? And 15 over 3 is 5. The second term power 7 over 3 minus 1 over 3. That is 6 over 3, which is 2. So we minus 8x to the second power. The last one, nothing to simplify. We just rewrite the power on the bottom to be negative power on the top. So right now we have the sum of 3 terms of the g. Are you guys okay so far?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. When you have 3 terms, you find the derivative. You're going to do term by term. The first one, you have constant multiple to x to the power 5. Second term, you have constant multiple to x to the power second. The last term, you have constant multiple to the x to the power negative 1 over 3. So the first one, you're going to get 2 as a constant multiple. Multiply, what is the derivative of x to the fifth?
10x whole 4
And I'm
oh,
asking about the derivative of x to the fifth.
is 5.
5x to the fourth, right? Because we subtract 5 by 1. And then the next term, same way, the derivative of x squared is 2x to the first or just 2x. The last term gonna be the power negative 1 over 3, x to the power. This is the tricky one because you have to work on the algebra and get the number of the power as a simplified form. So this can be negative 4 over 3.
I mean, we have calculator, so
You can use a calculator, but this is not the simplified form. So what the simplified form? I heard like you said something about a 10. That would be from simplifying the process that we just did. 2 times 5, that's 10. 10x to the fourth. 8 and 2 becomes 16 with a negative sign. 9 times negative 1 over 3 reduced to be negative 3 times x to the negative 4 over 3. So this is the answer that the Hawks learning is looking for.